What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in the city of Torrance. I got a Nike outlet here. Let's go see what's up. All right, Nike Outlet Torrance. They opened up about an hour ago. It's like 11 o'clock. Let's go. Let's go. Do got a little heat card. Which usually means, I don't know, does that mean 20% off? I don't know. I'm gonna ask. And do got some creeper cam action. Mostly Jordan 1s, like mids, lows, and then do got a couple dunks. You got some dunks there. Got some Jordan 2s on the low right. Nothing that I'm like dying to get. They do got the Laneys right there. 30% off the back wall. That's what it seems like it's at most outlets. All right, let's look around. Let's look around. They barely have any 10.5s today. What's up with that? Really narrow section 110 for the Blazer mids right there. Invincible Run Flyknits. Invincible Run Flyknits 135. That's not the size 10 though. 75 for these, especially with the 30% off. That's the cheapest we've seen these. That's like $50-something. Not bad. Not bad. That's under 60 bucks. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's $150 though. Moving down in size, I am thinking about this for a relative. Does run track, runs I think 1600 meters, and this is for is it middle distance? I think short distance, middle distance. It would be around what, 100 bucks? I think around 100 bucks. Not bad. Normally 180. Seeing these in multiple sizes, 175, not bad. Alpha Fly Next Percent. I do regret not getting one of these. I found one at the clearance center for what, 100 bucks a while back. I do regret not getting them. Look at that. Oh, this is the Next Percent 2s. Look at that midsole, man. So much Zoom X on it. Super comfy. It is for racing though, but super comfy though. Does have the carbon fiber plate. These also got carbon fiber plate. These have Zoom X on the back. Does have Zoom Air in the front, and then you can see the carbon fiber plate right here. Does have the spikes and all that stuff. Well, this one doesn't. The one I checked, there's one I checked a couple minutes ago. That one did have the spikes. More Blazers in the 9.5. There's a size 10 right here. Going for $55. You get another 30% off. That's not bad. That's just not my flavor though. Dude, got some of these. It's an 8.5 though. Look at this. That's the cheapest we've seen that. $80. Are you serious? $80. Do have a few different sizes than these. That is just hella cheap. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think I got someone for this. $80. $80. You get another 30% off. That's definitely, wow. These are like $250 shoes. Like, damn, dude. Damn, that's hella cheap. Size 9. If they had my size, I'd probably grab one. But I don't see them my size. Alright, I did check the app. The Vaporfly Next Percent 2s, they only have size 8.5 and 9. So they don't have my size. Dope. And I see the 8.5 right there too. So, dang it. Do got some Jordan 1 golfs right here. These are pretty fire. So the Jordan 1 low golfs, in my opinion, you can wear them just for casual, because if you look at the bottom, it's just the traction pattern that's a little bit different. The upper is way better than most Jordan 1 lows, unless you get like the OGs or something like that. The material is significantly better. Pretty good looking shoe. They do charge an extra, probably because the the outsole ends up costing a lot more to make. But yeah, $140 instead of the 125. At least you get the 30 off here. Not bad. Size 9, not too bad. Do got a size 10 here in the 8.5 section. $185 for those. Way too much. Do got Zions. Look at the price on the Zions. $70. Holy cow. Man, I got set up, man. Let's check that. Look at this box. You can't even fold the box. That's why it's just falling down. $140 for the LeBron. Are these the LeBron 18s, right? LeBron 18s. Size 7.5. 2017s. $165 for those. Man, $80 for these. That's a pretty solid deal, especially with that price. Holy cow. Checking the bigger size now. Invincible Flyknit 3s? I've never seen these. Okay, these are the Next Nature, it looks like, but Next Nature, right? No, not the Next Nature, just the regular ones. But yeah, that's significantly different. Oh, it looks a lot sleeker. Look at that midsole, man. That's so much ZoomX right there. These look comfy as hell. That ZoomX, man, that's another level if you guys haven't tried it. Material is ridiculous. I definitely am paying 180 or even 30% off. Still a little bit much. Size 8 right here. I don't know why this is in this section. 110 for these. This is a Gore-Tex. It is just regular leather, but it has that material on it, so damn, it wrinkles up like a mother lover. Holy cow. Holy cow. Look at the other side right there. Maybe it's a defect or something. I don't know. That's weird. Supposed to be in the size 11s or something, but yeah, LeBron 2s right here going for $150. That's like 105 after the discount. Not bad. Luca's right here, 110 for those. Okay. Air Zoom Structures going for $65. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s. Oh, 95. I thought it was a cheaper number. Size 11, $70 for the Zion 2s. I'm trying to remember. I think I got these in a size 11 because these do tend to fit a little tight. That is hella cheap, $70. Pretty decent colorway too. Air Max 90 Terra Escapes right here, 10.5 going for $80. Man, Blazers going for $80. Air Forces, oh dang, regular 150, size 9.5. Burrows down to $35. Everything's kind of everywhere today. Like, all right, let's check out. I think 12 and above right here. Got some boots, size 13s. These are the nice ones, the Geodomes. These are going for $130. To get these for under $100, that is hella cheap. Wow, these are normally what, $160 or something like that. Material is just ridiculous. Probably not the most durable. I don't know if I'd want to wear these out in the rain. These look fire though. Got the air units on the bottom. That is fire. Starting to see Scorpions. Saw one of these at the clearance store for $100. That was pretty freaking fire. These are the Vapor Max on steroids. Big time steroids. Like $250 though. Hella steep. Cortez. They are starting to come out with more colorways. The Beacher ones. Yeah, I don't know if that population really wears the Cortez like that. $60. More of the Zoom Freaks go for $75. That's just hella red. Dude, got some Kyrie size 14. Lows, these are Kyrie lows going for $90. Not too shabby. Checking the really big sizes. Size 12. Oh, I thought these were bigger than that. Size 12.5. Dude, got some Dunks. You have to get those for $30 off. That's pretty fire. Vapor Max, $160. Get that 30 off. Size 14, 15. Just some basketball shoes right here. That's about it, yo. That's about it. They got 4 or 5 clearance racks for clothing. It seems like apparel. They got a ton of stuff lately. All right, let's check out the aisles real quick, and then we'll go check out the clothing. Got a couple pairs of blazers. That other one's way high. This one's reasonable. Air Flight 89s. Got a couple of those. Infinity Tour Next percent. That's the cheapest we've seen those. Holy cow. Holy cow. Katie Trey 59s. Always got plenty of these. Kind of like the Soldiers and the LeBron Witnesses. Always got these. Terra Escape Air Max 97s. Got some Blazer mids. Waffle Racer Craters. Couple of those. And then got Vapor Max. This is definitely the cheapest we've seen that. Under $100. Like, this is under $90. Holy cow. That's what's up. Got plenty of sizes too. Got some Air Max 90s. Like a trio of them. Third one right there. Air Max 270s. Got a ton of them. What kind of Air Maxes that is? Look at this. Air Max 90 Terrascapes. Look at that price. Holy cow. Up to size 12.5. There are a lot of size missing. There are a lot of size missing though. 2017s. This whole aisle is Air Maxes. Yeah, these are going to continue to fall. Air Max 95s. Got a couple of those. Air Max Plus Terra Escapes. Air Monarch 4s. These are the wide versions. Got some regular ones right here. Defy All Days, the fake Monarchs. Pegasus 38. Got a bunch of these. And for the 37s, we've seen them for hella cheap. Look at that. Another one right there. Pegasus Trails. These are the 3rd gen right here. Infinity Run Flynet 3s, I believe. Yeah, got a ton of different colorways. We've been seeing a bunch of those. All $100. Oh, that one's 80. But yeah, let's go check out this apparel section, see what's going on here. All right, let's start with this section right here. I was like, is this tech fleece? No, it's not tech fleece, just regular fleece. $110 down to 80. That is a large. Do you get an extra 30 off on top? 85 for these right here. This pullover right here with the crater material on it. Really nice material, actually. Michigan shirts come for 25. Those of y'all getting, what are those? The Thunders? The Thunder 4s. Dude got a Jordan shirt right here. This is a medium. Yeah, you get another 30% off, dude. What is that? What, $11, $12 for a Jordan t-shirt? Jordan hoodies down to $30 right here. Normally, what, 80? And look at this jacket. Look at this jacket. It is a corduroy jacket. Got embroideries on the back. It's all embroidered in the back. What is the price for this? $250 down to $200. It is a small though. Bunch of fleece, 40% off. These are normally $50, so they are down to what, $30. Got sweats right here, matching sweats, 50 down to 30 as well. Got fleece over here, 50 down to 30 for all these. But these are normally what, $75 or something like that. Dude got the flight, these are like the better material ones, 85 down to 64. You get that 40 off on top. I think I'm halfway through the apparel section. Got tech fleece hoodie right here. Tech fleece 155 down to 67. You get another 30 on top of that. I know people who love tech fleece love tech fleece. I'm not a fan of all that other stuff. That is a hell of a price though, damn. Jordan shirt right here, $30. JDI camo t-shirt, dry fit, 30 down to 20. You get another 30 on top. The last sales rack right here. Guess this is the pants section. Got sweats going for $40. Normally 70. More sweats. These are 120 down to 55. So I want the big Nike swoosh on the bottom. That's the weird tech fleece. I think this is like the weird tech fleece one. Yeah, 130 down to 130 double XL or single XL. Got sweats right here. I think this is the one that matches. I think I have the sweatshirt for this one. Super thick material, $110. NRG. Okay. They got some cargo shorts. These cargo shorts actually look kind of dope. A little short though. If they were longer, this is Jordan cargo shorts. Obviously the size doesn't work for me. 31, $80. Holy cow. And they got, are these basketball shorts? They got the diamond design on the side. It is like khaki material though, or like a stretchy khaki material. $80. All right, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. Let's go over the two things I'm gonna buy. So these are the Vaporfly Next Percent 2s, specifically for running. I believe these two have carbon fiber. It does have the Atom knit up top. Does have Zoom X. It's missing the Zoom Air. That's the only difference between this and the Alphafly Next Percent, I believe. But yeah, these are some serious running shoes. I think these are normally like $250. They're down to what, $50? I think it's gonna be what, 50, 55 or something like that after the savings. That is crazy. I'm buying this for a family member, then another one for a family member. These are normally 180. This will probably be around what, 105 or something like that. These are the gold standard of I don't want to say sprinting, I think middle distance. I did check on these on the Nike website. I believe it's designed for 800 meters all the way to 5,000 meters. I think the durability is the only issue with these. I don't know how long these are gonna last, but yeah, these are the gold standard for middle distance running. To be able to get it for $100, that's not bad. So I'm gonna I'm gonna pick these up. Maybe they're cheaper at the clearance store. I don't know. I'm gonna grab these. If I find them cheaper at the clearance store, maybe I'll return these. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, these are the 2 finds for the day. So I did make the purchase. Damn, the Zoom Victories ended up costing 110, and then another 30 off on top, so 76. And then yeah, the Vaporfly Next Percent 80, and then it got 30 on top, so ended up being 130, and then $150 for both of these. And both of these were 180 and what, $270, $250 pair. I don't know. All right, came up, man. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. Got some pretty freaking good deals. Ended up spending a lot more time there than I wanted. Ended up seeing someone I knew from like 15 years ago. We used to work together. We both like stared at each other. We're like, where do we know each other from? Like, both of us thought that was kind of funny. But yeah, found some pretty good deals. Gotta hit up the outlets. Man, like the running shoes, pretty sick, man. I was super surprised. I wish I had the Vaporfly Next Percent for myself, but it didn't really happen. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Not the craziest selection. Seems like a lot of the outlets are trying to be cheap, and they're trying not to give discounts. They're making a heat wall, heat cart, that type of stuff, which kind of sucks. But we'll see. We'll keep track, and we'll see if most of the outlets are doing this. I'm gonna hit up a couple more outlets, see what happens today. But yeah, thanks for joining, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. See you guys next one. Peace.
Yeah.